Hi, my name is Cam Mitchell, and welcome John and Marcia to your financial assessment. So first, I'd like to explain compound interest. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum or loan of a deposit. So, for example, if I put $100 in a TFSA account with 10% interest return per year, I would make $110 by the end of the year. This will constantly keep growing. So the next year I will make 10% on 110. Next year I'd make 10% or whatever that is, and they would just keep increasing. And as you can see from this graph below, the orange line shows you what compound interest is like, constantly is increasing, versus the blue line, which is just linear versus simple interest. I've added a couple investments I think that you both should invest in, which will help speed up the process on paying for your new house and saving money for the future. And the first one is Fortis. And Fortis is a dividend. Right now, it's only worth $54 per share, but it was worth $58 per share before COVID. So right now would be a great time to hop in because that will definitely rise. They offers a 3.7 dividend yield, and although it's not very high, the risk is very minimal, and it's a great boat to hop in now the prices are low due to the pandemic. This would be more of like a long-term plan, which will help you invest money over a long period of time. This would be like a retirement thing, or just a backup plan for whatever. The second one is also Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is a lot different than most stocks since it's a cryptocurrency, but I think that it would be a great boat to hop in now, considering the future of Bitcoin and what it's going to do for the world. Bitcoin is currently on the market for $72,000. But it's projected to reach over 100,000 by 2022. And although you both do not have 72,000 to buy these, you can buy percentages of shares, which is just as fine. If you guys were to invest $500 a month, which is $6,000 a year, you will see a lot of growth in your money. Bitcoin has raised 350% since last year, and is being traded by more bigger companies, and is destined to grow even more. Bitcoin is now being traded with Tesla, Airbnb, PayPal, and all this stuff is going to keep increasing the price for Bitcoin. And the more money you have in Bitcoin, the more money you'll make. This will kind of be a long-term goal, obviously, because you don't have the immediate money to put in, but I think this is a very wise decision. And I want to tell you the importance of leaving your money in accounts. So this money grows significantly faster if it's longer it's left in. So the more money you have in a TFSA account, which usually maxes out at, you can only put $6,000 in per year. The more money you have in that account, the faster it will grow because of the compound interest. So by taking it out, you're losing money. This is an emergency fund, so you shouldn't be taking any money out in case there's any complications, like I said, because as time goes, you will be making more money if you leave it alone. And this isn't something to help other people or do anything. This helps just you. So by you taking money out, that's only going to negatively impact you and prevent more growth happening faster. And yeah. So thank you for watching my presentation.